our showcase warmer display. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 47 inches, a depth of 19 inches, and the overall height. We have 23 inches tall. Coming to the front and back are dual slide doors, and included will be 3 shelves. Each shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference, and the measurements for each shelf will include 14.5 inches depth applies for the bottom shelf, 13 inches for the second shelf, and 12 inches for the first shelf. Length for each shelf will be 45 inches. Light strips located on the left and right corners along with the top. Coming to the left will be an indicator. Back of the unit will be the left and right slide doors, the gauge along with the power switch. Coming to the back of the case will be your water pan, and the interior dimensions of the warmer will include 46.5 inches in length, 17.5 inches in height, by 17 inches in depth. 17 inches depth applies for the bottom level. Located on the left side will be the 110/120 voltage plug, and on to the right is the ETL certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.